Yeah, this is a demonstration of using a GNU radio and a USRP SDR to transmit audio in the FM Whitespace. What we see here on the spectrum analyzer, it's tuned to 97 megahertz center frequency and 10 megahertz band, so you can see all the commercial FM broadcast in the area. So what we want to do is transmit our own wideband FM audio between all these channels and utilize the Whitespace. So we come up here to our GNU radio block diagram. We'll start off with a wave file source that's a 16 kilosamples per second. I'm going to multiply that a little bit so I can boost up its utilized bandwidth once I modulate it. Anyway, we'll take and I'm going to resample that up to 10 megasamples per second. That's what our USRP hardware is running at. Then we're going to take and wideband FM modulate that. So we end up with a wideband FM carrier at 0 hertz complex baseband. So in order to take and transmit multiple channels, we're going to take and multiply that by a complex sinusoid. Right now the USRP part where LO is running at 97 megahertz, so if we want to transmit exactly 100 megahertz, we take and we multiply that complex baseband by 3 megahertz sinusoid. The sinusoid is, of course, sample rate is 10 megahertz. And the amplitude, since we're taking 9 channels and transmitting those in parallel, we want to take and multiply it by 1/9. So that way we don't overrun the D-to-A converter in the USRP. So I have 9 of these complex multiplications going on at once to take that complex baseband and upconvert it between -5 and +5 megahertz. Then all those are summed together and run to the graphical FFT sync and then the USRP. So if we come back here to the spectrum, watch the Whitespace, and you'll see it light up with our own signal once I get this block diagram running. There we go. Now let's go over to the radio.
The final frontier. These are the voyages of the
Here at 93.7,
its 5-year mission to explore
we hear the Star Trek
strange new
theme.
worlds.
We're going to tune around now. Commercial FM. Back to Star Trek. More Star Trek. More Star Trek.
There goes my good soul.
He'll be busy with
Anyway, this shows the power of using SDR, that we can transmit all these channels simultaneously out of one piece of hardware. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed.